Hey everyone, for a few quiet moments, and just watch. Watch the open land, the tall grass moving with the wind, the silence stretching across the horizon. Somewhere out there, something is waiting, not hiding in darkness, not relying on strength, but on speed. Because today's story is about the fastest land animal on Earth, the cheetah, a creature built not for power, not for long fights, but for one perfect moment. A moment where everything depends on timing, precision, and incredible speed. Cheetahs are found mostly in Africa, across wide-open grasslands, savannas, and dry regions where visibility is clear and space is endless. A small population also exists in parts of Iran, but they are extremely rare. Unlike many big cats that prefer dense forests, cheetahs live where they can see far ahead. Because for them, sight is everything. They rely on their eyes more than their sense of smell. They scan the land constantly, watching, calculating, waiting. Their body is designed for speed in a way no other animal can match. A lightweight frame, long, slender legs, a flexible spine that stretches and contracts like a spring, large nasal passages for maximum oxygen intake, and a long tail, acting like a rudder, helping them balance during high-speed turns. Even their claws are different. Unlike other cats, cheetahs have semi-retractable claws. This gives them better grip on the ground, like built-in running spikes. Everything about them is made for speed. But speed alone is not enough, because a cheetah's life is not easy. They are not the strongest predators. They cannot fight lions. They cannot defend their kills from hyenas. They survive by being faster than everything else. A cheetah spends most of its day resting, conserving energy, staying low in the grass, hidden from both prey and danger, because every hunt requires an explosion of energy. And if that energy is wasted, survival becomes harder. When the time comes to hunt, everything changes. The cheetah rises slowly. Its eyes lock onto a target, usually a gazelle or a young antelope, something small enough, something fast, but not fast enough. The cheetah does not rush. It moves carefully, staying low, using the grass as cover. Every step is controlled. Every movement is silent. It gets closer and closer, sometimes within just 30 meters. And then, in a single instant, it explodes into motion. The acceleration is unbelievable, from 0 to full speed in seconds. Its body stretches forward, legs pushing with incredible force, the spine bending and extending like a powerful spring. The ground blurs beneath it. Dust rises behind. The prey runs, turning sharply, trying to escape. But the cheetah follows, adjusting direction instantly, using its tail to maintain balance. Every second matters, because this speed cannot last long. A cheetah can reach speeds up to 100 kilometers per hour, but only for a short distance, just 20 to 30 seconds. After that, its body begins to overheat. Its breathing becomes heavy. Its energy drops rapidly. So the chase must end quickly. Either the cheetah succeeds or it fails. As it closes the distance, it stretches forward and strikes. Using a precise movement, it trips the prey, sending it crashing to the ground. Then, it goes for the throat. A danger is not gone. The cheetah is exhausted, its body overheated, its breathing heavy and fast. It must rest before it can eat. And this is the most vulnerable moment, because other predators are always watching. Lions, hyenas, they can steal the kill easily. The cheetah has no choice but to recover quickly and eat as fast as possible. This is the reality of its life. Fast, précis, mais fragile. Unlike lions, cheetahs do not live in large groups. Most males may form small coalitions, often brothers, staying together for life. But females live alone. A female cheetah's life is even more challenging, because she must hunt and protect her young all by herself. When it is time to give birth, she finds a hidden place deep in the grass, away from danger. There she gives birth to her cubs, usually 3 to 5, small, blind, completely dependent on her. In the early days, she stays close, protecting them constantly, moving them from one hiding place to another, so predators cannot find them. Cheetah cubs have a special feature, a long, grayish fur along their back. This helps them blend into the grass, making them less visible to enemies. Even then, survival is not guaranteed. Many cubs do not make it to adulthood, but those who survive begin to grow stronger. They start to explore, to play, to learn. Their mother teaches them everything: how to move quietly, how to observe, how to chase. At first, they only watch, then they try. Clumsy, inexperienced, but learning with every attempt. Hunting is not something they master instantly. It takes time, practice, failure, but slowly they improve. As they grow older, they begin to follow their mother on real hunts, watching her movements, understanding timing, learning the art of speed, and one day they make their own chase. This is how a cheetah becomes what it is. Not just fast, but skilled. A cheetah's life in the wild is not very long. On average, they live around 10 to 12 years, sometimes less because of constant challenges. But in that time, they experience a life full of intensity. Every day matters. Every hunt matters. Every decision matters. Cheetahs are not built for domination. They are not kings of the jungle. They are not the strongest, but they are something else. They are perfection in motion, a living example of speed, precision, and focus. But today, their world is changing. Open lands are disappearing. Human activity is increasing, and cheetahs are losing the space they need to survive. Their numbers are declining, and they now face an uncertain future. Protecting them means protecting the balance of nature, because every animal, no matter how fast, no matter how small, has a role to play. So the next time you think of speed, don't just think of numbers. Think of the cheetah, a creature that lives its life in bursts of energy, in moments of perfect timing, in a world where 1 second can mean everything. If you enjoyed this story, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more powerful wildlife stories. And tell me, which animal should we explore next? I'll see you in the next story.